There can be no question about the official commitment to the cause of literacy. Full stop. More funds than ever are now available. Full stop. There is also no shortage of ideas and schemes. Full stop. What will, however, ultimately matter is how well the funds are utilized and the schemes executed. Full stop. For instance, a good part of the money that we invest in building schools, training teachers and increasing the primary level enrollment is wasted because of the high dropout rate. It is more than 50%. Full stop. What are we going to do to stop this drain in the future? Question mark. There are two ways to staunch this endless educational bleeding. Full stop. 1 comma, we must have a more functional primary level syllabus for rural children. Semicolon. It should be relevant to the agrarian and vocational needs of the population of the areas in which the schools are located. Full stop. It is only then that parents would find it worthwhile not to withdraw their children from school. Full stop. Secondly, in view of the relatively low level of income in the villages, the authorities concerned should be prepared to subsidize education in the countryside by providing books and stationery free of cost to students. Full stop. It is equally important to ensure that the number of schools planned to be built really come up and funds are not simply cornered by unscrupulous education department functionaries running ghost schools. Full stop. Paragraph. There is a concomitant need to expand training facilities for teachers who will be needed in larger numbers to run the new schools. Full stop. In the non-formal sector, a good beginning has been made with the opening of mosque schools. Full stop. 40,000 such schools are to be opened in the 6th year period. Working is, this scheme can yield the desired result only in their working is regularly monitored. Full stop. 4 there have been reports that in many cases such schools exist only on paper. Full stop. Non-formal education can take many forms. Full stop. Allama Iqbal Open University and the use of school and college students to teach illiterate persons are only two examples. Full stop. Another useful idea would be to set up a national literacy corps composed of unemployed educated youth who should be paid a fixed monthly allowance to carry out a sustained literacy campaign in rural areas. Full stop. The private sector too has a big role to play in the spread of education in the country. Full stop. It is already doing a lot in this regard. in the cities, full stop. Given suitable incentives, comma, it should be able to extend the scope of its activities to rural areas as well, full stop.